All right, so I'm clicking up here to present so that you guys can see it better on your screen. And what I want to do is take some time to talk about this slideshow presentation. So this is what you guys will be working on when you are not in my classroom with me. So if you're cohort A, you'll be working on these assignments outside of school on Wednesday and Friday. If you're cohort B, you will complete these assignments outside of school on Tuesday and Thursday. The instructions, this is exactly what you're going to do for every time that you open up this presentation. I was trying to keep a routine so it would be a little bit easier for you to follow along, less confusing. So the instructions say for every hybrid class that meets outside of school, you must complete one slide in this presentation, and I'll show you those slides in a minute. The format to complete each slide is exactly the same. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the slide for that week, and you're going to explore and experiment and create your own personal digital artwork through these different web apps. So first I just want you to explore, create. Then the second thing that you're going to do is once you've completed creating your digital artwork, you're going to take a screenshot of your work to copy and paste into this presentation so that I can see it. Because these presentations will be shared with me for a grade. And I have a video in the presentation on how to do a screenshot if you're unsure how to do it. And then the last thing is you guys are going to type a brief description of that web app that was chosen for that week. And when you're writing your description, it could include the features that you liked using for this web app or an idea for others to try on their own. So this is really a great resource for you to use outside of class for fun, and it's also a great resource for other students to see what you've written so they can understand what web app might work for them in the future based on their ideas for their projects. Effort, yes, you must use correct spelling and grammar. You are on a computer, so if you're getting a squiggle or a notification from Google Presentation saying, uh-oh, you better go back and check. Please make sure that you are doing correct spelling and grammar. Capitalization, those I's need to be capitalized. And you must type in complete sentences. When I'm reading this, I want to be able to understand what you are saying. It needs to be clean and easy to read. Yes, you must create artwork that looks thoughtful and well crafted. You should be spending some time on each one of these web apps and each one of these slides. I can tell the difference between artwork that has been thoughtful and well crafted versus artwork that has been rushed. So please make sure that you are taking the time and doing it right. And yes, you have to complete the slide for that week. You cannot work on a slide that's further down, okay? You need to work on the slides in the correct order. Do not skip over slides. And try not to fall behind. Make sure that this is something that you are working on when you are supposed to be working on it when you are at home. If you want, you're all caught up in this class, you're all caught up in your other classes, and you would like to spend some time on the other web apps within this presentation and you want to get ahead, yeah, of course, go ahead, work on the other slides, but I still need you to do it in order. So whatever slide you left off on, you need to do the next one and the next one. So how do I add my own artwork? I'm going to show you guys how to do this. There's a video, and then don't forget, when you're in my classroom, ask these questions and I will be able to help you, and I will be able to show you how to do these things when you're at home. It's a little bit easier. The first time that we access this presentation, we will be doing it together as a class. This is the video, and so if you click on this image here, it will walk you through a quick video on how to use these keys on your Chromebook to create a screencast. Grading, that's one thing that students like to hear. Is this going to be graded? Yes. This is a graded assignment, and you will submit this presentation for a project grade. Each slides or assignment that is completed will raise your grade for this assignment. And then also, if you do not complete one, that is going to lower your grade. And you'll see here I have 2 letters before my name for my email. So please make sure that you're clicking on this if you need to access me. So this slide here, you just simply are typing your name. Okay, so this is mine done. So I'll show you what you guys will see. This is what you'll see. So it says graffiti creators. So it says that this is a web app. All right. So I get to click on this web app and create artwork. And then when I'm done with it, I'm going to take a screenshot and paste it in here. And I'm going to write a description here. And that's what it looks like finished. Okay. So there's my screenshot. And here's a brief description, 2 sentences long. So let me read what this says. It says web app. If asked, make sure to click to enable Adobe Flash Player, and if a pop-up appears, say allow. All right, so I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go straight to this website, and I'm going to click on the bubbles and press load. Okay, and it already allowed, because I've done it before on my computer, it allowed me to load this, but you guys will probably get what you believe is an error. Just make sure that you allow and enable, and you should be fine. All right. So down here, I'm just going to type art, create, and I'm just going to do this quick, just so you guys can see. I'll add some bubbles. Okay, and flames. All right. No, that's very busy, isn't it? Deactivate flames. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it like this just so you guys can see the next step. So here I have my art, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my print screen or create a screenshot to paste in. So now that I've created my screenshot, I'm going to go back to the document, and it says artwork. So this allows me, when I click here, to watch how to do this. And then this is me showing you guys how to create a crop. All right. And then I need to paste this into my document. So I can go to edit and I can paste it because it's copied to my clipboard. If that doesn't work, paste on the computer that you're in, you could also go to insert image and upload. And that might be located in your downloads folder, depending on where you're at. For me and my computer, it's on recent. So I'm going to put this in, okay? So again, this could also be done by doing edit, paste, okay? If edit, paste doesn't work, then go to insert image, upload from your computer, and find it. It should be in your documents or your downloads or recents, somewhere in there, okay? And then I'm just gonna, I double clicked quick, and I am cropping this. If you want a more detailed understanding of how to do that, watch my crop video, okay? I just don't want this video to be too long for you guys. All right, so I'm scaling that to the size I want. I'm pressing enter or return, depending on what computer you're working on. And I'm just doing a better job scaling it. And now I have that done, okay? And then the last thing it says is please use correct spelling and grammar as well as complete sentences to, so I would type here that description. And so up here I said, I really liked all the different options that were available to create my own graffiti, and I found sticking to one color family helped me to make my text easy to read. So this was a warm color family. Down here, that's a cool color family that I stuck to, okay? And then there's going to be more slides in here, but you're just repeating that for each web app. So there'll be a new link here, and then a new image that you're going to paste here, and a new description that you'll paste here. Again, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and any questions that you have when we're away from each other. If you want to hold on to them until you see me face to face during the week, you can. Or you can email me and I'll try my best to support you outside of the class. All right. Good luck, guys. Have fun.